Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to We're in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, kayo ba'y naghahanap ng Caregiving Training and Assessment Center dito sa Pampanga? This video is for you.
Guys, we were invited by Care Pro. Located nga dito yan sa San Fernando, Pampanga. And we're gonna tell you all the details if you're interested to enroll in this kind of learning centers.
Yes, so if you want to know more about them, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Hello, my name is Esther Joy, Timbang Doctor. I am a registered nurse by profession and I've been to this business for about 3 years. So basically, this is both a training center and an assessment center. So we cater the 6 months course. Yung mga estudyante, they will be treated as students ho talaga. They have tests, quizzes, and on top of it, we have a practical demonstration. It is a teach-back performance wherein yung skill na tinuro ng teacher, they have to perform it accordingly. If time comes that they are able to pass it po, they will be moving forward to the assessment, in which this school has the assessment center. When they are able to pass it po, the national certificate too will be released.
Dito tayo sa Care Pro ngayon. Actually, to experience yung kanilang service, magiging pasyente muna ako ngayon with the help ng mga students nila. So tara, experience natin maging pasyente muna ngayon.
Ito yung pinaka-training ground po nila. Ayan. So, they will be able po to handle the things that they'll be needing later on pagka nag-commence na sila sa kanilang caregiving course. The skills that they will be performing is tailor-fitted with the skills they'll be having. We got it all here po. So all the rooms that we have here, aside from the academic room, are called skills laboratory. So we have skills laboratory for the elderly care, for the child care, for the home management, and emergency care as well, and the people with special needs. Teachers are equipped. They have the appropriate papers, the trainings, especially the 21st century skills, plus the FELS or the Facilitate e-learning experience para makapag-accommodate tayo ng mga online people or mga online student natin, in which we call them hybrid. Mas magbe-benefit po, sir, with the national certificate too, since it is accredited around the globe po. Ay yung mga tao na nagpaplano na pumunta abroad, you have the Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Israel, and Japan as well. Mga tao na gusto hong mag-perform or maging belong sa healthcare field, and yung mga gustong kuhanin ng families, ayan, this had been their way to have themselves to collect all the requirements that they can get para mag-migrate. So for the means of communication, we have social media. We have the page, which is the Care Pro Training and Assessment Center. And we have an official website, and our official website is careproph.com. Inaanyayahan po namin kayo dito sa Care Pro Training and Assessment Center Corporation to have your caregiving course here. We are located at the prime location here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Dito lang po sa Plaza Cristina building. You would want to go straight at the ground floor, stall 27. Just look for Miss Leslie or Miss Joby. Ang mga requirements lang po na dapat nyo pong dalhin ay 4 na 1x1 photo, your ALS form kung meron man, your form 137 as well, plus your TOR if you have any. Here at CarePro, we'll be able to provide you compassionate care and professional excellence.